I'm Alan Davis. I'm a profoundly deaf, multidisciplinary artist from a rural area in County Wexford. Most of my work this year was made here, in this secluded spot, known locally as the White Hole. And as you can see, it's a coastal area. Unfortunately, it has succumbed to illegal dumping of waste. Its topography also contributes to the problem, as tidal flow and land drainage amplify how marine pollution disperses in the area. This year I recorded a film titled Dreams of Flight, which evolved through the exploration of a functional approach to sculpture. I teamed up with the Design Plus department in IT Carlow's main campus, and together we produced vital 3D printed components to ensure my assemblage of kites would fly in tandem, here in the skies above the White Hole. In my opinion, this was the best location to fly, due to its remoteness and exposure to the wind, unhindered by trees or any man-made structures. This work was inspired by Aidan Barry's 2011 work titled Flight Volley. I mention in my artist statement, potential and kinetic energy are devices I use to explore power, control and uncertainty. We know that the movement of the kites in flight display kinetic energy. But where is the potential energy? The answer lies in the second submission of my project work this year titled Postal Migration. I sculpted paper birds to take on multiple roles. They were sent abroad via mail. They were painted and experimented with quite a lot. One of the experiments included the use of potential energy, with the use of a straw, cotton wool and soluble thread. These birds took flight from heights aided by drones or the kites which were filmed in Dreams of Flight. While their original purpose was a little more profound, the action of sending the paper birds abroad echoed ontological migration and historical journeys of others. In my work, In Fine Night, I concentrate on long exposure night photography. In this set of photos we see what most would consider to be a daytime exercise performed at night. The title is derived from a local comedic expression, "It's a fine night," and is a play on words which also incorporates infinite as reflection on space as we look to the stars. The kite in this series of photographs has been painted with a luminous paint, similar to Dorothy Cross's work Ghost Ship in 1999. The kite was captured by shining a torch upwards in various movements and gestures. Another one of my projects this year tackled the aforementioned issue of pollution in the area. My work titled Clean Up the White Hole is a community-based project and was initiated with the help of volunteers and the local county council. We are now registered as a Clean Coast group and we will receive funding. This work is ongoing and I feel that we're making quite an impact on the area to date. Some of the waste I collected was fashioned to make a percussion instrument. In turn, the sound recorded from it was used in an animation titled And Then. This animation evolved from a photograph of the carcass of what I believe to be a bottlenose dolphin. The image of the dolphin, found at the White Hole, in my opinion, had quite a visual impact, and I decided to make this animation which explores the arrow of time. Eitilt at Red Books in the Wex Art Festival is a continuation of this work. After the paper birds were sent to South Africa, New Zealand and America via mail, the idea progressed with Sarah O'Brien as her methods were similar and there was room to explore new ideas. The exhibition was initially planned as being digital images showing on a large screen, as you can see here, with the option of ordering images. The fact that the exhibition was going to be on in a bookshop gave way to the idea that a publication of images would be ideal in this setting. With the help of Irish artists Laura Fitzgerald and Aidan Barry, a successful application to the Arts Council allowed us to produce the limited edition prints, with each book containing an original removable image.